Hey, Bob Carr here with another episode of the Bob Carr Show. In the studio today, got a client, a friend, a fellow airplane pilot, Mr. Kenny. Appreciate you stopping in today and chatting with us. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing well today.
Doing good?
Yes.
Kenny, when did we first meet? How long ago was that?
Probably 18, 19 years ago.
Wow. I didn't know it's been
a long
that
time.
long.
I was young.
You were young? Your hair wasn't gray?
No, it was not.
But you're still younger than me. But everybody's younger than me nowadays.
That's the way I'm starting to feel now. Happens fast.
So we were down, I guess the last time we were working together was at your house last summer.
Yes.
And you had us add some additional irrigation and help you on some lighting repair, some rehabs. How did all that work out?
All worked out great. Yep, we added a bunch of sprinklers for the front yard and repaired some of the lighting that had been knocked over the years and got everything back to working well again.
Everything's good now?
Yes, it is.
What got you into airplanes? Everybody always has an interesting story when I bring that up to them.
I've always had interest in them, but what got me into them was I started flying with my neighbor. He's been flying, he's 70, he's been flying for 50 years, and he has a Mooney. And I just started flying with him and really enjoyed it, so that just kind of got me started. And everybody that lives around me flies. My other neighbor, he's a FAA examiner, and then a couple doors down, another neighbor who used to be in the insurance business.
Paul,
yeah, you know Paul.
Paul Penoyer.
He flew a
great
lot.
Guy.
Mm-hmm. He's
a great pilot too.
Yeah, he's a great guy. So he's waiting for me to get my plane so he can go flying with me. You keep saying, when are you going to get your plane?
Yeah, he's a great guy.
Yeah, he is a great guy.
So you never had no interest when you were a teenager?
I always thought I had an interest in it, but you know, the way
life gets in the way.
Life gets in the way. Kids, all that stuff.
I gotcha. Kenny, what do you got next coming for your property? You're always working on something, improving something. Every time I'm down there, you're adding a garage or a shed or this. You have us down moving lights and irrigation, pipes and heads. And
yep, always something.
You always seem to be on the move and improving your property.
Yes.
So what do you got coming up this year?
I don't know. I think this year might be a down year. We might not have anything this year. It's the first time in a while.
Just a maintain year.
A maintain year, yes.
Because I was surprised when we were down last year. You had it for a couple of years. You showed me pictures, but how you modified everything and changed your road in and out there.
Right, we got the road in, got the lights along the road now that you guys did. That really turned out nice because it was super dark to even walk down and take the trash cans down in the winter. So my wife really likes that.
We need to have your wife on the show sometime.
We should.
She'd love to sit here and talk with us.
She loves to talk. That's for sure.
Kenny, I appreciate you coming in today.
No problem. My pleasure.
And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show. And stay tuned next week for another episode.